Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Kingdom Plantae. In that we are studying topic characteristics of monocotyledonous plants. Rice is a monocot plant. Let us study how and in which manner it is. Monocotyledons. Now rice is an example of a monocotyledon. That is, whenever you break rice, it is impossible to get two different distinct parts. You will always get a crushy powder. That is an example of monocotyledonous plants. Wheat is an example of monocotyledonous plants. Now they are just opposites of dicots. If dicots have reticulate venation, they have parallel venation. If dicots have taproot system, they will consist of adventitious root system or fibrous root system. That is, rice require a lot of water for its growth, and the fibrous root system help to absorb water from the deep layers of soil. Now secondary growth or cambium is absent. They just have a thin stem which is very irregular and pale and weak to grow or just to hold. These plants are basically biennial in nature, not perennial as compared to the monocots which we did study in the later parts. These monocots basically are adventitious root system, and sometimes they could be of taproot system in certain cactus plants. Characteristics of monocotyledonous plants or single seed plants. Now, monocotyledonous plants basically have one cotyledon or just one embryo. They have adventitious or fibrous root system in them. They need a lot of water for their growth. Leaves will have only parallel venation, or you can say straight venations. An example of this could be rice plant. Flowers with trimerous symmetry or trigonal symmetry, just like a triangle shape, is observed in this kind of plants. Now secondary growth, or you can say the stem region growth, is totally absent in them because they grow in a lot of water and the stems are generally weak. These plants are annual, that is, they grow throughout the season with a lot of water requirements and doesn't require particular nutrients in that much quantity. Whereas rice, an example of monocotyledon, wheat, an example of monocotyledon, is an annual plant grown throughout India in seasons alternative and grown in larger quantity. Another example is your rye, which is, or sesame seeds, which is a monocotyledon, which are also annual or perennial plants. Students, this was monocotyledonous plants and its examples, and what are the various characteristics of monocotyledonous plants in the terms of their characteristics, their look, their seeds, their root system, etc. I hope you all are clear with this concept of monocotyledonous plants. Thank you.